We have a new intro credit scene. Right? Okay, so now that I've got my microphone on, so one of my videos, the video where we painted the car with the turbo cans, actually got quite a few views, more than I've ever had, maybe more than I'll ever get again. I don't know. There were some questions, there were some comments. You know, there's always a Karen or two. You know what I'm talking about? Anybody who's ever put anything on YouTube or Facebook or anything like that, you always get the trolls. Doesn't matter. It's all for good and fun. Uh, so one of the things that was said was, why didn't we show the car afterwards? Well, here's the deal. I tried to. The video wasn't quite complete when I put out that after paint job update, which is going to be just like this here. My other video tonight about the rear end being put in goes out tonight. We're limited on video on that because of that computer crashing. Well, it's the same thing with that paint job after paint job update. We were just putting that little video in there as a placeholder. We didn't know the computer was going to crash, so I didn't try and work on that between when I made that video and when we left for Sick Smokies. So messed up computer. You know, that video's on there. We got to get it off there yet. Hopefully I'll be able to show that, and then you'll be able to get a walk around the car. Here's the deal: the Sick Smoky video, either next week or the week after, there's going to be lots of views of the car. It looks pretty good in my opinion for what we did to it. It's never going to be perfect. It's just not a car like that. It's fine. It's no big deal. People are upset with me because we painted this car with Rust-Oleum paint. I've had a few comments about that. Um, it is what it is. Also, for a long time, I've only used one camera. For a little bit, I had two. Like, I'd use my phone and a camera. Well, this is a pretty nice camera, and I don't want to screw it up, so I don't ever get in close with things. But when we went to Sick Smoky, we did one thing, and it hasn't been utilized yet except for the Sick Smoky video. We bought a GoPro, okay? So I got a whole kit. We got attachments. We're going to be using it. I'm going to be able to get in. It's much more manageable to be able to use this camera and see what I'm doing. So we're going to start using that. That was one of the other things that was mentioned. Yeah, hopefully our quality of videos is going to go up. We just got the new computer. We also got a new editor. We upgraded a whole bunch of stuff so we can actually use a little bit better software. I've still got to learn how to use a lot of this stuff, but yeah. Here's the car right now as we sit. Um, so, as you can see, you know what, truthfully, the tiger striping in the hood, when I put this matte clear coat on it, because it doesn't stay flat, we put matte over it. Some of this, I keep trying to get it to come out. This always keeps looking like this. I don't know how to get that better. I maybe need to polish this. I don't know. Anyway, a lot of the tiger striping came out with the clear coat. I don't know why that is. I'm not a painter, never will be a painter. This was just us messing around, having fun. So, yeah, rims are in here. Right, we got those done. It's all a little dirty because it's been raining the last couple days, as usual. I'm just here. We're gonna drop this video in. It's just a short little thing. Um, I'm gonna release it a couple hours before the main video releases tonight, which, in my opinion, is not very good because, like I said, there was a bunch of video on there on our computer from this because I had cleaned off all of our discs, or most of our discs that we took along with us, or the sand discs, or whatever you want to call them, the little chips, whatever. I don't know what they're called. Anyway, and so I cleaned most of them off, and all of that is on that other computer. So I used whatever I could to put out a video. That's what I did. Maybe I will go back and re-edit at some point. It is what it is. But yeah, we had a great time at Sick Smoky. That video is being worked on now because, we had a few issues with computers and stuff, which has already been talked about. But hopefully it's going to be good. We're going to be going to Sick Week here in a couple months. We're getting ready for that. There's a few things going on. We're getting the rear gear change. We'll talk about that. There's not going to be a lot going on with this car except for fixing some stuff that we broke during Sick Smokies, or as going down to Sick Smokies. Actually, the car ran pretty good for Sick Smokies. And that's about it. So, yeah. Well, thanks for joining me. And don't forget, if you see me on the road, give me a honk and a wave, or maybe pull me over and show me your junk and I'll show you mine.